Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use VPN on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you.
As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can set VPN on your PlayStation 5. So installing a VPN on your PlayStation is not as straightforward of a process as installing one of your laptop or mobile device because you cannot download the software directly on your PlayStation. But there are other methods for setting up a VPN. You can install a VPN on your router, connect your PS4 or PS5 to your computer that is using a VPN, or setting up a VPN for your PS4 or PS5 through a mobile app. So right now we're going to see how you can set it up. Setting up a VPN on your router will ensure that any device that connects to your Wi-Fi connection will be protected. Installing a VPN to your router is likely the easiest way to set up a VPN, not only for your PlayStation, but for any other device that connects to the internet. What makes it convenient is that it's always there. You don't have to worry about whether it's off or on. The process of configuring a VPN to a router will be different for each router and VPN provider. Many routers do support a VPN connection, and the process of configuring it is as simple as inputting your account details in your Wi Fi router settings. VPN providers also sell routers with the VPN already pre configured. If you want to configure VPN manually, the best way is to go to refer to the instructions on your VPN provider's website. Generally, they will list the steps for each option. For example, ExpressVPN provides the firmware to install for your router based on which device you currently own. If you want to set it up using Windows, the process is firstly you need to install the VPN on your Windows. Then it connects your Ethernet cable to your computer on one end and to your PlayStation on the other. Select Control Panel, Network and Internet and Network Connection, then change Adapter option. Select the Ethernet icon and click Properties. Check with the box that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Under Home Networking Connection, select Ethernet. Under PS4 or PS5 settings, go ahead and click on Settings, Network Settings, then Set up Internet Connection, then select Use a LAN cable. This will ensure the PS4 internet connection is through the internet that you are connected to the VPN. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.